Hello, traders. Today is Monday, July 7th, and this is my analysis for gold, and we are on the 1 hour time frame. So, anyways, on gold, if you've seen my videos, you know that I think this is likely a wave A right here. I think we are likely in a wave B right now. I'm looking for one, two, three waves down to one of these Fibonacci retracement levels and an impulsive engulfing turn to the upside for the end of this wave B and likely another impulsive five-wave trend like this to the upside for a wave C. Now, whether or not this 50% level that we're at right now is going to hold and do that, or whether it's going to drop down to a lower level is the question. I still think the 61% is a more likely level because there's a nice little, top could become a bottom area right here. This top right here could become the bottom of this move right here. But we don't really know that, do we? So if it makes like a nice big engulfing move to the upside at this 50% level, then I definitely would take it as a long and it potentially could end up continuing the uptrend. If it doesn't do that, but instead pushes down to the 61%, then you could possibly do the same thing here. Wait to see if it makes a nice big engulfing turn to the upside there. If it doesn't turn to the upside at any fib levels, and you do trade below the 1 hour time frame, then you should just continue to look for shorts until you do see price respect one of these fib levels and turn to the upside. So anyways, don't forget to check out my free Discord group linked down here in the corner. Take a look at my website, fxpipcollector.com. And as always, thank you for watching and happy trading.